Hi everybody!
Hi parents!
We brought it outside today. Woo-hoo! So we're going to start off. Mr. O'Keefe, tell us about your week.
Hi parents! This week we finished our math test in chapter 11, our science test. We weren't able to get to our science test because what happened on our math test, we didn't do that well, and so we went back in and we tried to fix those problems that we didn't get right so we could get more points on our test. We're moving on to in science, we're taking our test in science on Monday, and then we're moving on to motion and speed. In math, we're moving on into measurement and time, metric and customary. Get ready.
Okay, so in reading this week, we were super busy continuing to compare and contrast themes. We read a lot of different traditional literature, and it was awesome to see so many different stories that had similar plot structures. We also worked a lot on Study Island just with some test-like questions. Study Island is a great resource. I know that sometimes your kids can get a little frustrated with it, but it really gives them practice for what the test is. The test is written from questions that are just like Study Island. So if you find that your child is really having a hard time getting a blue ribbon, I would suggest sitting with them, talking with them, going over the questions, and really having them find the evidence to support their answers. In social studies, we finished up our Pioneer DBQ, and we're going to be typing up our letters next week. So we'll have our Diary of a Pioneer Kid, not a wimpy kid, a pioneer kid. And then in writing this week, we were even more busy. For 3 days, we have been writing body paragraphs. We have completed just about 3 essays at this point. Go on Seesaw and check out what your kids put together today. We're going to spend next week conferencing and fine-tuning our writing so that we'll be ready for the test on the 1st. But wait, there's more. We need glue sticks. Oh my gosh. We need glue sticks.
Oh.
He's down. We're all out of glue sticks. Please send some in. We use them like crazy. We need glue sticks, and we need to remember that these Achieve articles, I've written about it in the newsletter a bunch of times. Guys, they're due in class. The kids are doing them in class every day. I give about 20 to 25 minutes just for working on Achieve articles. The kids just have to get 75 or higher on these articles, and then they get the credit that they need. So let's take this thing off. Please just encourage your kids in class. I'm encouraging them as well, and they will get this done. It's not something that can be done at home though.
Also, the science, the My NG Connect, is having a little bugs for only about a couple of people. If you're one of the people that is having a couple of bugs, I'm calling this afternoon to figure out what's wrong with our accounts.
Bye!
See ya!